Look at this incredible, beautiful, beautiful color. We have here burgundy, we have pink, we have like terracotta. Also, what I like about this palette, you can use for eyes, you can use for face. Come a little bit close to you. I want you to see this is how packaging look. Just basic Dior navy color, and it's navy packaging, silver letter. It says DIORSHOW 10 colors. It's 18.3 gram of products here, and this is how palette look. In this video I will tell you also plus and minuses, and I do have this eyeshadow palette on my face right now, sorry. And if you want to see how I create this look, yes, video it's coming, or maybe it's already on my YouTube channel, Katya Beauty Style, but I think it's so pretty. It's like makeup, soft, very nice pop, and again it looks so pretty. Also, this eyeshadow palette I use not just for my eyes, I use for my highlighter, for my blush, because these colors look spectacular. Okay, let's talk about colors. What do we have here? We have 10 colors here. Yes, I already use right here, if you can see, it says CD, and I actually really like this say Christian Dior, because a lot of products it says Dior, but when I grew up, I remember when you say Christian Dior, like a fragrance Christian Dior, bag by Christian, I feel it's way more luxury or luxurious. Okay, this is, it's right here in front, it's material. I'm the makeup artist, I'm not a fan of this label or packaging, because when I do my makeup or somebody else, my hands, my finger can have foundation, blush, or and it's, I knew this, like my fingers can destroy this beauty. And again, let's come back to this palette. We have here matte colors, we have shimmer colors, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 matte colors, and rest of it have a little shimmer. We have here light gold, we have a burgundy, we have a brick, we have like a coral, we have a beautiful light highlighters. It's so pretty. I'm coming to you close. I want you to see this. Look how pretty, and look at my eyes, right? Yeah, they look so blue, because pink colors, it's always make us young, fresh, and if you have like a gray blue eyes like me, they really like my eyes change even more intense blue. They look so sexy. I love them. Okay, that's it. It's amazing. Are you ready for swatch? Let's do it. Also, I'm gonna talk about little bit color. We have a shiny golden nude, a luminous light pink, radiance red pink, intense brick brown, warm nude, golden fuchsia, dazzling pearl, radiant coral, dark burgundy, and velvety brown. And now I'm gonna show you on my hand all these colors. Okay, are you ready? My hand, are you ready? Let's do it. Okay, we're gonna start with this light color. Okay, let me just show you right here. You can see it's light. Oh, come on, focus, light gold. Very pretty color. And like, to me, it's like a champagne gold. Ooh. Okay, it's a first color right here. You can see how beautiful gold shimmer, but it's very light. I actually have right here, this is its color right here. Now I'm gonna use this second color. Oh, I don't even use not yet this color, but it's so pretty. Very, very pretty. Can look at this beautiful shimmer. And now let's try this pink color. This and this color will be perfect for blush. Oh, all these colors can be your highlighter or blushes. Ooh, yeah, you can see it's like a baby pink with little shimmer. Ooh, it is pretty. It's here. Very, very pretty. Then let me show you this next color. It's very, very soft coral. Again, this is 4 colors, looks incredible. And then we're gonna use this light color. It's one of my favorite color in this palette. And you can see it's right here, and it's like a pearl gold with little bit gold. So pretty. And let me show you this orange color next to this like a pearl a white color. It's right here. It is truly orange. Like it's a beautiful orange color. Also, when I'm looking this palette, you know how like so many eyeshadows like a brown, and you want little bit pink for your middle color to little bit pop, and it's just so hard to find. It's a beautiful palette just to have, because again, you can use this as a middle color, you can use this as a highlighter, you can use this as a blush, eyeshadow. And believe me or not, I try this palette on my lips, just this bright, like a softer, pink color I apply, and then I just put clear lip gloss, and everybody say, oh my god, I love your lipstick, but actually it's just eyeshadow. Now let's try this beautiful, like a deep pinky color. You can see it's right here. It's very creamy feels and very rich. When I read about this palette, it says like a creamy. To me, I don't feel creaminess here. And this color, it feels a little bit more creamy to me, because like I will say they feel buttery, but not creamy. Creamy, it's a different texture to me. We have with you 3 more colors. Then let's go with this color. This is like it's a bright coral color. Ooh, voila! Believe me not, I love this color for a blush. I really like it. Okay, I must keep this palette. Okay, 2 more colors. Let's use this deep color, and I'm gonna put next to coral. Ooh, yeah, very pretty. I really like they did matte and they have shimmer. And now let's try this last color. I feel like I don't have a room, but let's squeeze this. Ooh, it's right here. It is like a light brick color. You can see all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's matte color. Rest of it shimmer. It is pretty. Okay, yeah, it is $130 palette. It's kind of expensive, but I will say you can use this for face, you can use this for eyes, you can use highlighter, blush, for lips. I think it's worth to purchase this palette. It is limited edition. Hurry up. Of course, I put link below for this palette. You just want my nose. I just don't care. I knew this is gonna be so dirty soon, and I'm like and I wanna look pretty. But I do like quality. It's really pretty. Again, it's on my eyes already. If you like this eye makeup, please check it out, my video. I don't know if I'm gonna post this first video just to show you eyeshadow palette, or I'm gonna show you how I create this look. If it's this video gonna come first. The next video will be how I create this beautiful spring look using Christian Dior eyeshadow palette, limited edition, only girls. Okay, focus camera, only $130. Love you more than ice cream, and please subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Love you more.